out what's going on in your heart. What's it gonna take?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Diana, and if you're new here, welcome to the family. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by for yet another video, another exciting video. And as you can see, as you can probably guess, I am doing another install, and this is the hair unit from XrsBeauty. This is a 16-inch 200 density new clear lace, and I couldn't wait to have this wig. Finally, it's on my hands. I couldn't wait to have it. XrsBeauty is the same company that I worked with the straight yaki wig. I'm gonna include it here so that you see how that turned out, and this is another unit from them. I couldn't wait to style it, so let's get straight into how I installed this unit. So this is how the package came looking like, and tell me, this is my favorite color. Orange is my favorite color, and I love this packaging really much, and this is so beautiful. So XrsBeauty, your natural hair. So as you open the wig, that is how it's looking. So this is the unit. So let me show you what this hair is all about. So this unit is a 16-inch 200% density. It's a new clear lace and clean hairline water wave 13x6 frontal lace frontal wig. So yeah, I love water wave hairs. This is actually, I think, my fourth one so far. I love it. This is actually 200 density. I've never had the one that is this much density, so this is actually new. So yeah, this is how the hair looks like. And let me tell you, when I tell you the definition of this curls, I've actually already opened it, so I know what's inside. So this is how it's looking. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. So this is the new clear lace. If you wear this, it's gonna disappear in your hairline, so no one can ever tell if it's a lace or your natural hair. So that's a plus about this. So this is the new, so let me show you. This is the lace. So this is now the lace where it's a new clear lace, HD clear lace, and I love. Other things that came with the hair is this comb, this edge control brush, and then this rubber bands to adding into your wig for it to secure at the back, wig cap. And then lastly, it also came with these flexi rods, and yeah, that is everything that came with the wig, and I really can't wait to install it right about this. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. As usual, I'm gonna go in with my wig cap because I want to stay with this unit for some time, so that's why I'm using this method. If you want to stay with your wig for short time, you can just go ahead and install the wig without using the bald cap method, but this is what I prefer, and then cut the wig cap. Yeah. After that, you apply foundation onto the wig cap thoroughly so that the lace will not show. It will look like your skin. It will feel like your skin. Also, you're gonna apply foundation to the lace of the wig so that if you haven't, as for me, I didn't bleach the knots, so I'm gonna apply foundation to make the wig look natural. I don't know why I look mad, but I promise you I'm not mad. It's just that I was a little bit serious, so let's get into it. What lace! Oh my god, look. I haven't, okay, look at that, my guys. Look, it's giving scalp, it's giving pre-plucked, it's giving hair, natural hair. Oh my goodness. So I went in and melted my lace. This is the first melt, and then I also cut the lace, and then this is going in with my second melt. After 20 minutes, again, this is another 10 minutes for you to wait for your lace to melt. The more time you wait, the much results you're gonna get. So I went in with my spritz so that the lace will disappear completely disappeared. So it's a new product I'm incorporating into my install, and I really can't wait to see how this turned out really nice. Highly recommend this product, by the way. So this is the before. I have done anything to the wig. I have done nothing to it. I haven't added in products. I haven't done anything to the wig. So I want to style it right now. So I'm gonna do a half down, half up kind of style. So this is what I'm going for. I've already done my edges, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go into the styling.
What's it gonna take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love me, yeah.
Ooh, look at that. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. Look at that lace. Which lace? What lace? It's giving scalp. Like, look at this. As in, I'm not even exaggerating, guys. Like, you can see. Wow. Wow. It has even melted more onto my skin after some time. So I'm gonna like dab my powder over here so that it gives a lot. Oh, I'm obsessed. Powder that area. Wow. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. I'm so obsessed with this. This is far most the best install I've ever done. Like, Get into it. Get into this lace. Look at how melted it is. Like, wow. Looks like my hair. Like, are you serious? And we are done. So I'm going to add just a little bit of mousse. You see, this mousse adds itself up, so a little goes a long way with this hair. Like, oh my god. Oh wow. Now I know where I belong. I really belong to the curly wigs. This is my style, and I should stick to this style forever. Like, look at that, guys. Look at that. I'm so happy with the way it turned out. I'm really happy. I'm really feeling this vibe.
Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love?
So guys, we've come to the end of this install. I really love. Thank you so much XrsBeauty for sponsoring this video. I'm gonna link everything on this wig on the description down below, so make sure to check out their page, make sure to check out their website. I'm gonna link it down below in this description box. So this is a 16-inch unit. You can also get yourself this unit, or you can also get yourself any other wig that is available on their website. I'm gonna link it down. So in case I have a discount code, I'm also going to include it here on this video when I'm editing, so make sure to check that out, and then make sure to also save your coins with using my discount code when you're getting yourself any hair from XrsBeauty, particularly this unit, because I'm really obsessed with it. The lace, the melt, the nuclear lace, it was really doing the thing, and I really can't wait to do more styles with this because it's giving hair, it's giving natural hair. That's why their logo is your natural hair. So yeah, so until I see you on my next video, it's goodbye.